Hello everyone, I am Binita Joshi and welcome to the 5th episode of Lippan Art Tutorials. Today I am going to show you Lippan Art of Ganesha. In this video we will use easy technique to draw leaf design. And yes, for this you don't need any drawing skills. I try to make this video as detailed as I can, so please watch it carefully till the end. To make our art piece, I am using 8-inch MDF board and thickness is 4 mm. Now, to draw Lippan Art design on round MDF board, first important step is to find the center of the board. So let's start the process to decorate Ganpati with Lippan Art. Here, draw a lines of any length at the border of the board. Mark the center of the lines. Now our center is where both the lines cross. Here I am using scale and protractor to make grid. Put protractor at the diameter of circle. Now with the help of protractor, mark every 20 degrees, which is 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160. Now using same technique to mark on the other side. Okay, then make the grid according to the markings. We made grid by connecting the opposite points. Make a circle of 2 inch using a rounder. Make another circle at the border of the board. One more circle of 2.5 inch. Erase lines from the center and draw Ganesha. First I make single lines and then make it double. Ganpati drawing is ready. Now we are going to make leaf design with easy technique. Make one leaf shape however you like. It's quite difficult to maintain same shape for all leaves when we don't have good drawing skills. So I took a piece of baking paper or butter paper to trace out the design. Now stick it on a piece of cardboard and cut it to make leaf. Now you can easily draw identical leaves. Erase the unnecessary grid and make some finishing to make it look neat. Yes, our design part is ready. Now we will do clay work. Here I have used Fevicryl Moldit epoxy compound. Take equal quantity of hardener and softener and mix them properly. To make uniform coils, roll out the clay after it's a little dried off. It helps to get uniform thickness of the coil. Now we will make coils, so roll out the clay with your fingers. To fix coils and mirrors, you can use Fevicol MR or Fevibond. To make these buttons, I have used mandala dotting tools. If you don't have that, you can also use pencil or pen. Before the clay dries, make designs like this with toothpick. Now we will make small coils to fix on the Ganesha. Make sure the coils are uniform. For beginners, it's recommended to use a sponge to even it out. Cut the coil with the help of any cutting tool, knife or palette knife. Keep patience while doing this. If you hurry, it could ruin the finishing. Here's a tip for the sharp corners in the leaves. Cut the corners diagonally. Complete the rest of the design in the same way. After it's dried, apply gesso. You can also use white acrylic paint. Use flat brush to color so you can cover all the corners. We will start coloring this after the gesso is dried off. Here I will be using 5 colors combination. You can pick any colors you want. First we will start with yellow, light green, ultramarine and finish with red. Properly fill in the corners too, because it affects the final look. Do 2 or 3 coats if you need it. If you accidentally color over the coils, don't worry. You can easily cover it up with silver color for finishing touches. After we are done with all this, it's time to varnish. Now after varnish, We will let it sit to dry and then start with mirror work. I have used round, square, drop and leaf shaped mirrors. You can use as per your creativity. Still, our art face is not complete. For extra flair, we will put some mandala dots to finish it off. I have used mandala dotting tools, but you can use toothpicks. With this, we are done. Make sure to follow the all steps I have given to make your own Lippan art piece. If you are new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for more tutorials. See you soon. Bye for now.